today is actually Lorena's birthday. Say happy birthday to Lorena.
Happy birthday, Lorena.
And she's putting up with me doing this anyways, so thank you. So even though it's Lorena's birthday, I've actually been spending most of the day working.
True story.
So the streets of Bali are very interesting. You find all sorts of artisan carvings, clothing, and the road itself is almost like an obstacle course. Kind of always paying attention to where you're going. Fairly important, as there are holes in the ground, dips, bumps, curves, and dives. Doing this vlog thing every day is really a push on your ability to be creative and relentless. Now, a lot of people's skills are earned over time. The saying is mastery takes around 25 years or around 10,000 hours. I'm not very good at math, so a calculator is a good way to go. I've already made that mistake before. 25 years is 365 days. That's 9,125 days. So 10,000 hours divided by 9,126 days is around 1 hour a day. That's all you really need to put in for the course of a lifetime to become a master. So when you're practicing and you're studying, what's difficult is often you want to do as much as you can at first, not giving yourself the time allotted to really make those steps possible. So if all you have to put in is 1.09577 hours a day, it's actually pretty easy to do. So vlogging at this current rate actually takes me around 3 to 4 hours. It's around 2 hours of content creation and around 2 to 3 hours of actual production and edit time. There's also probably around 45 minutes to an hour a day where I actually ponder what the hell it is that I think I'm doing. Now with that in mind, what I want to share with you is that don't let the first few years of struggle hold you back from achieving what you want to achieve. Push forward and accomplish just a little bit every day. Even if it's only 20 minutes, 30 minutes every day, maybe it takes you 50 years to get to mastery. If you put in 2 to 3 hours a day, you're diminishing your time by 10 years. That's a huge amount of time. Today's thought and vlog lesson end before we jump offline here is basically don't let the long-term focus deter your short-term capabilities. It is easy to put an extra hour into whatever you believe in every day. If you work 8 hours a day, all you gotta do is go home and spend an extra hour, whether that's doing yoga, playing music, singing, doing art. Focus that extra time, and before you know it, years will have passed by and you will have gotten that much closer to mastery. With the Arcane Bear. Remember to give us a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share. Let us know what you think, positive or negative. It's always great to hear. We'll see you guys on the other side.